Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video we're taking a look of a error. If you're going to open your Google Chrome browser, if you're going to see this kind of error, your clock is behind. I got this error before, so I just make this tutorial to show you how to fix this kind of error. So guys, if you're going to get this kind of error on your screen, so what you have to do is just you can simply go to your Windows settings and you can go for date and time. You can just turn off this option so this change will be appear. Just go and change right now what is the time in your country, what is the date, time, and just when you are done just click over here change, and once it is changed you can just simply turn this on and cancel and just simply refresh your page, and definitely for sure your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's all. I want to make this kind of tutorial, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.